Hello, I'm Nicole, the artist behind Art by Nicole, and today got an art haul. So let's go. Okay, first, I'm going to apologize for my nails. I haven't done them yet. Just haven't been feeling like it. So, okay, now that's out of the way. I got a few things recently over the past several weeks. Nothing too crazy, but I thought it'd be fun to share it with you. So let's deal with the less interesting parts first. Foam brushes. And gamvar satin finish. This is an oil and acrylic finish, varnish rather. I got this to finish off my painting that I did that you will have seen by now, hopefully. I still have to finish, paint the sides of the canvas, but I'm going to do that on acrylic so it dries fast. But I believe the oil is at a stage where I can varnish. Now, the cool thing with the gamvar varnish, your oil paint only has to be touch dry. It doesn't have to be fully cured in order to varnish it. And I didn't want to deal with the mess, hence the foam brushes. Okay. I got more brushes, y'all. Now you're probably saying, you got all those Sarah Burns boxes, you got the bloom brushes. Why did you need these brushes? Well, one, they're all black, and that's really cool. And two, I've seen some reviews on them, and they say that the brushes are more like snappy, whereas my other brushes tend to be longer and more flexible. And sometimes you want that snap. So I went for it. And I mean, I love Craftamo. Y'all know that by now. So here we go. Oh, fancy. Okay. So, introducing Black by Craftamo, a 7-piece brush and paper set designed for artists who appreciate sophistication, precision, and unmatched quality. Crafted with a bold, all-black aesthetic and presented in a stunning all-black luxury gift box, designed to reflect the sophistication within. Sleek, minimal, and crafted to impress, Black by Craftamo redefines luxury in every stroke. The cruelty-free black bristles, exceptional snap, water retention, and smooth application. Recycled black ferrule. Okay. This is the Black by Craftamo paper. Super fun. Now let's get into the good stuff. I wish you guys could feel these. That is so nice. It's a liner brush. Rigger, sorry. Size 1. Number 4, angle. You know we love an angle. And number 8, filbert. I'm not going to take the things off right now. Number 12, round. These do feel really nice. And number 18, flat. Ooh, and a number 18, mop. Now, I'm not going to use these brushes in this video. I am planning on doing a video with the black brushes, black paper, and gouache. So be on the lookout for that. But like I said, I just seen these and I just could not resist. Super happy. My last purchase, which admittedly might be the most fun, although those brushes will look pretty fun too. I may had mentioned that I was going to do my, was it September Premier Palettefull Pack subscription box unboxing. That's a mouthful. Anyway, I did it, but in the process of doing so, the first thing I saw when I opened my box was that they are no longer doing the subscription box, which I was really upset about for a couple reasons. One, I had really been wanting the Palettefull Packs boxes for a really long time and finally decided to go ahead and do it. And then I get 4 boxes and they're like, nope, that's it. No more for you. So that kind of bummed me out. And then it was supposed to be like a mixed media box, and it was really just a mishmash of products, some of which I'm going to end up probably giving to my nieces or something because I have no use for. So that video is not forthcoming. But I said all that to say that I was considering getting a different subscription box, and Art Snacks was the other one that I had been looking at. And they're no longer doing their business, or no longer doing their subscription boxes either. And they're going out of business. Palettefull Packs, I believe, said that they're still going to run their art supply store website thing. But the Art Snacks was going out of business, and they were having amazing sales on their art supplies. And something that really caught my eye were these art sprays. They're acrylic sprays, and they looked like a ton of fun. And guys, these were only $3 each. I looked on Amazon. They're like $12 a piece. So I thought, let's go for it. And I was thinking that these would make like fun elements in an abstract background for a painting. I don't know. So I got all the colors they had left. There were quite a few that were sold out. But it's still a lot of colors. But yeah. All right, so I'm going to line them up, get them out of their plastic, and then we're going to spray them. We're going to test them out right now. So I'll do that, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've got some, what is it? Canson XL mixed media paper here. These are by Marbu. I don't know if I said that. I probably didn't. They are waterproof. Well, that makes sense because it's acrylic. I believe it's an acrylic ink, but yeah. So this is the color red orange. Ooh, that's fun. That is a lot of fun. Next is chili. Flamingo. That is bright. Looks like I'm going to be able to get 2 more colors on here that you can really see. Cocoa. Ooh. That is a very dark, rich brown. That was nice. And gray. And it's like a charcoal kind of thing. Fun. These are going to be so much fun. That flamingo, like, kind of globs together. I might be able to get another one on here. Let's try the purple because that'll really stand out. Plum. Yep, that stands out. I was hoping for more of a violet, but that is a very purpley purple. You know what I mean? Okay. Sky blue. Maybe. Petrol. This is the one that I was most looking forward to. Yep. That's a totally Nicole color. This one's called Mint. I feel like it might be a darker. Yeah. It's more of like a Viridian than a mint, but it's still very, very pretty. Reseda? Hey, don't know why, but on screen it looks like there's like gold, but I do not see gold anywhere in real life. That's weird. Oh, it's reflecting my ceiling light. That's why. Reseda. Pretty. And khaki. Ooh. It's a deep foresty green. So nice. And lastly, silver. Okay, yeah, that's really metallic-y. I don't know if it's going to come across as much on. Kind of. Super pretty. Okay. Well, that's all I have for this little art haul. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to give me a like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.